Hello, everybody. Bill Thornton, SoCalSabre here, and today we are in Paris at Charles de Gaulle Airport. Last time I played this was the first time I ever played it, and I didn't seem to have too much problem with the traffic density, so I bumped it up a little bit today, but I did have a problem with the call signs. So I hope I can do a little bit better job than that today on those. We got one waiting. Let's see if I can get him going properly. Lufthansa 2231, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 left.
Ground 27 left, pushback approved. Lufthansa 2231.
It's about 13 minutes to 3 in the afternoon. We're still doing the mid-afternoon shift, working our way down. We're in the P, starting the P's now, so we're getting closer to the end. Did Orlando last time. Paris was next in line. I remember almost getting myself into trouble here last time because of the way these guys taxi, so I'll have to keep an eye on that today too.
Ground Lufthansa 2231, request taxi runway 27 left.
Lufthansa 2331, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Lufthansa 2231.
As with all these airports, I don't know what kind of traffic to expect at 3 in the afternoon. This guy taxiing pretty quick, ain't he? Well, I hope everybody had a very nice Memorial Day weekend. I did. I did some activities with family and friends. It was quite pleasant. Ever been to Paris? I've been there a couple times. I was fortunate enough to be stationed for 3 years in Chev's Air Base in Belgium, a Belgian air base. So Paris wasn't that far away. So we probably made it down there about 3 times. Then in 2005, I went back on vacation to Europe, and I spent a day and a half in Paris. Really, really nice place. At least I think it's a nice place. I have a lot of fun there. I got a little side view. I was able to do it today. Normally I can't do that for some reason. I should have gave this guy an intersection takeoff, cut down on some of his taxiing. Let me see how long this runway is. This runway is almost 14,000 feet, so.
Ground, June 8 tree 4 request pushback.
I don't know where he is.
Ground, June 1800 request pushback.
June 8334, pushback approved. Expect a runway 26 right. Oh, there they are. June 8334, pushback approved. Expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved. June 8 tree 4.
June 1800, pushback approved. Expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved. June 1800. Tower, June 1 tree 49er inbound runway 26 left.
June 1349er, enter final runway 26 left.
Enter final runway 26 left. June 1 tree 49er.
Lufthansa 2231, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 left cleared for takeoff. Lufthansa 2231. Tower, June 8700 inbound runway 27 right.
June 8700, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right. June 8700. Ground, June 8 tree 4 request taxi runway 26 right.
June 8334, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, June 8 tree 4. Ground, June 1800 request taxi runway 26 right.
June 1800, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, June 1800.
Let's check out this Lufthansa.
Tower, Vueling 6270 inbound runway 27 right.
Vueling 6270, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right. Vueling 6270.
Lufthansa 2231, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure, good afternoon. Lufthansa 2231.
June 8334, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Unable taxi. Request detailed taxi
Oh, come on.
instructions. June 8 tree 4.
June 8334, runway 26 right.
Runway 26 right, June 8334.
June 1349er, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, cleared to land. June
8334, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff. June 8334. Tower, Lufthansa 1036 inbound runway 27 right.
June 8700, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right, cleared to land. June 8700.
June 1800, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
Runway 26 right, line up and wait. June 1800.
Ground, Lufthansa 1035, request pushback.
Lufthansa 1035, pushback approved, expect runway 27 left.
Ground, 27 left, pushback approved. Lufthansa 1035.
Lufthansa 1036, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right, Lufthansa 1036.
June 1800, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff. June 1800.
June 8334, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure, good afternoon, June 8334.
Villar 66270, runway 27 right, cleared to land. There's one call sign I got wrong already. Let's go.
Runway 27 right, cleared to land. Vueling 6270.
Vueling. June 1349er, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, June 1349er.
June 1800, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure, good afternoon, June 1800.
Ground, Lufthansa 1035, request taxi runway 27 left.
Lufthansa 1035, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Lufthansa 1035.
Ground, Air France 1226, request pushback.
Air France 1226, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right, pushback approved. Air France 1226.
June 8700, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, June 8700.
June 1349er, cross runway 26 right.
Crossing runway 26 right, June 1349er.
And that guy wanted to end. What did he get off that runway down there? There he goes. It's kind of hard to get everything in for you to see today. June 8700, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, June 8700.
June 8700, cross runway 27 left.
Unable taxi, require taxi instructions, June 8700.
June 8700, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, June 8700. Ground, Air France 1226 request taxi runway 26 right.
Air France 1266, continue taxi.
Ground, Air France 136 heavy request pushback.
Air France 1266, continue taxi. I don't know what's going on here. Air France 1266, continue taxi. No, I don't want the contact tower.
Continue taxi, Air France 1226.
Air France 136 heavy, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved, Air France 136 heavy.
Lufthansa 1036, runway 26 right, cleared to land. No.
Unable to comply,
Lufthansa
1036.
Lufthansa 1036, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land.
Jeepers,
Lufthansa
creepers, Bill.
1036.
June 8700, cross runway 27 left.
Crossing runway 27 left, June 8700.
Valig 6270, taxi to terminal. Oh, again,
Say again, ruling 6270.
Vueling 6270, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, ruling 6270.
Lufthansa 1036, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, ruling 6270. Taxi to terminal, Lufthansa 1036. Tower, Austrian 415 inbound runway 27 right.
Austrian 14,
Tower.
Austrian
Air France
415,
1201
enter final runway
inbound
27
runway
right.
26 left.
Enter final runway 27
Air France
right.
1301, enter
Austrian
final runway
415.
26 left.
Enter final runway 26 left. Air France 1301.
Air France 1226, hold position.
Holding, Air France 1226. Ground, Air France 136 heavy request taxi runway 26 right.
Air France 136 heavy, continue taxi.
Say again, Air
Come
France
on.
136 heavy.
Air France 136 heavy, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air France 136 heavy.
Lufthansa 1035, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
Runway 27 left, line up and wait. Lufthansa 1035.
Lufthansa 1036, cross runway 27 left.
Crossing runway 27 left, Lufthansa 1036.
Air France 1226, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air France 1226.
Lufthansa 1035, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Lufthansa 1035.
Air France 1301, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Runway 26 left, cleared to land. Air France 1301.
Austria Air 415, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land, Austrian 415.
Lufthansa 1035, contact departure.
Contact departure. Good afternoon.
Blue
Lufthansa
6270,
1035.
cross runway 27 left. There he goes again. I can't say his call sign. I am so mad at myself.
Continue taxi, rolling 6270.
Here's what's going on right now. Air France 1226, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right cleared for takeoff, Air France 1226.
We got traffic out there coming in, but I think they have enough runway separation distance between the two runways that I won't get dinged for it. Here he comes. And we're rolling, no problem. Air France 1301, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal. Air France 1301.
Here comes Austria.
Ground, Boeing 8256 request pushback.
I'm going to wait till this other guy gets in. Had this issue before, last time. Air France 1301, cross runway 26 right.
Unable to comply. Aircraft not clear of runway.
It
Air
is.
France 1301.
Air France 1301, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air France 1301.
Definitely clear the runway. Air France 1301, cross runway 26 right.
Crossing runway 26 right. Air France 1301.
Austria Air 415, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, Austrian 415. Ground, KLM 1234 request pushback.
KLM 1234, pushback approved. Expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved, KLM 1234.
Air France 136 heavy, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right.
Air
cleared
France
for takeoff.
1226,
Air
contact
France
departure.
136
Good
heavy.
day.
Contact departure. Good afternoon, Air France 1226.
Austrian 415, cross runway 27 left.
Crossing runway 27 left, Austrian 415.
Bullig, 8256, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 left.
Ground, 27 left pushback approved. Bowling 8256.
These guys have a lot of taxiing to do in Paris, don't they?
Tower, Jordanian 117 inbound runway 27 right.
Jordanian 117, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right, Jordanian 117.
Ground, KLM 1234 request taxi runway 26 right.
KLM 1234, continue taxi.
Continue taxi.
That's a pretty one.
KLM 1234. Tower, North Shuttle 7080 heavy inbound runway 26 left.
North Shuttle 7080 heavy, enter final runway 26 left.
Enter final runway 26 left. North Shuttle 7080 heavy.
Air France 136 heavy, contact departure.
Contact departure. Good afternoon, Air France 136 heavy.
Jordanian 117 runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land, Jordanian 117.
Ground, Bowling 8256 request taxi runway 27 left.
Vueling 8256, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Bowling 8256.
North Shuttle 7080 heavy, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Runway 26 left cleared to land. North Shuttle 7080 heavy.
Well, I'm doing a little bit better on the call signs today. I've got that Vueling all mixed up a couple times. KLM 1234, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right cleared for takeoff, KLM 1234.
Let's see Jordanair here. Yeah, he's a big one. Jordanair 117, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, Jordanian 117.
Jordanian. North Shuttle 7080 Heavy, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, North Shuttle 7080 Heavy.
Vueling 8256, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 left cleared for takeoff, Vueling 8256. Ground, Air Hop 8660 request pushback.
Air Hop 8660, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved, Air Hop 8660. Ground,
KLM 1234, contact departure.
Contact departure, good afternoon, KLM 1234.
Air Hop 1272, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved.
North Shuttle 7080 Heavy, cross runway 26 right.
Crossing runway 26 right, North Shuttle 7080 Heavy.
Vueling 8256, contact departure.
Contact departure, good afternoon.
Jordanair
Vueling
117,
8256.
cross runway 27 left.
Crossing runway 27 left, Jordanian 117.
Okay, we're coming up in about 30 something minutes
Ground,
in now.
Air France 11906 request pushback.
Air France 11906, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved, Air France 11906. Ground, Air Hop 8660 request taxi runway 26 right. Ground, Air Hop 1272 request taxi runway 26 right.
Air Hop 1272, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air Hop,
Air Hop
1272.
16. Air Hop 8660, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, air hop 8660.
Yeah, this guy's going to be coming down here, I think, into his park, and this guy's goes up and around.
Tower, Jersey Tree 005 inbound runway 26 left.
Jersey 3005, enter final runway 26 left.
Enter final runway 26 left, Jersey Tree 005.
Air hop 1272, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right cleared for takeoff, air hop 1272. Ground, June 1304 request pushback.
June 1304, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved, June 1304. Ground, Air France 11906 request taxi runway 26 right.
Air France 11906, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air France 11906.
Air hop 8660, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
Runway 26 right, line up and wait, air hop 8660. Ground, June 1304 request taxi runway 26 right.
June 1304, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, June 1304.
Trying to get me in a little jam up here. Air hop 1272, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure, good afternoon.
Air hop 8660,
Air hop
runway
1272.
26 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 right cleared for takeoff, air hop 8660.
Jersey 3005, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left cleared to land, Jersey Tree 005.
See, this guy's going to... June 1304, hold position.
Holding, June 1304.
He's going to taxi right in front of that guy. I knew he was. June 1304, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, June 1304.
Air hop 8660, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure.
Go down there and hit that like button,
Air
folks.
hop 8660.
Give this some more love out there on this channel. A lot of the guys have stopped doing this for some reason. I don't know why, but I won't stop doing it once a week about for me. This is Paris Charles de Gaulle working the mid-afternoon shift. Hit that like button. Push it out on your social media channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Watch some other guys. Tommy G's gaming channel plays it, and I know Gen X Gamer is still playing it.
Tower, Air France 1641 inbound runway 26 left.
Air France 1641, enter final runway 26 left.
Enter final runway 26 left, Air France 1641.
Air France 11906, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right cleared for takeoff, Air France 11906.
See how Jersey's doing. He's going to be coming in here. There he is right there. How come we're not locked onto him? There we go. June 1304, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
Runway 26 right line up and wait, June 1304.
Jersey 3005, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, Jersey 3005.
June 1304, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right cleared for takeoff, June 1304.
Air France 11906, contact departure, good day.
Contact
We're going to get this
departure.
June off
Goodbye.
and get this guy
Air France
across the other runway
11906.
taxiing in, and that'll be calling it a day for
Ground.
today.
Air France 7666 request pushback.
Air France 7666, pushback approved, expect runway 26 right.
Ground, 26 right pushback approved, Air France 7666. Tower, TAM 8108 heavy inbound runway 27 right.
TAM 810 heavy. TAM 8108 heavy. Enter final runway 27 right.
Unable to comply.
Oh.
TAM 8108 heavy.
Why? TAM 8108 heavy. Enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right. TAM 8108 heavy.
June 1304, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure. Good afternoon. June 1304.
Jersey 305, cross runway 26 right. Come on. Jersey 305, cross runway 26 right. Jersey 305, continue taxi. Wow, this is
Ground.
crazy.
Air France 7666 request taxi runway 26 right. Continue taxi.
Air
Jersey
France
3005.
7666, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Air France 7666.
Air France 1641, runway 27, direction.
Unable to comply.
Air France
1641.
Air France 1641, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Runway 26 left cleared to land. Air France 1641.
Tammy 8108 heavy, runway 26 right, cleared to land. Oh, no.
Unable to comply.
Damn it.
TAM
Getting tired.
8108 heavy.
Tammy 8108 heavy, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land. TAM 8108 heavy. Ground. Air Madagascar 51 heavy request pushback. Ground. Air France 1730 request pushback.
Air France 1730, pushback approved. Expect runway 26 right.
Ground. 26 right pushback approved. Air France 1730.
Air Madagascar 51 heavy, pushback approved. Expect runway 26 right.
Ground. 26 right pushback approved. Air Madagascar 51 heavy. Tower, Tarum Tree 8 Tree inbound runway 26 left.
Don't look like Tarum to me. Tarum 383, enter final runway 26 left.
Enter final runway 26 left, Tarum Tree 8 Tree.
Okay, we're getting Air France done, then we're going to get out of here for the day. It's got a nice push, but I got some other things I got to do. Air France 1641, taxi 2, terminal.
Say again, Air France 1641.
Sorry for the coughing, folks. I don't know what's going on with me today here. All right, this is SoCalSabre saying thank you very much for stopping by. And I hope you enjoyed it. Until you see or hear from me again, take care of yourselves, be kind to each other, and stay safe.